Once upon a time, there was a small green forest. Many animals lived in the forest. The birds were blessed with 2 young, beautiful birds. They got out of the eggs, and they are growing up. The sparrow took good care of them. But a few days ago, the sly fox appeared near the nest. He jumped around the birds and watched the birds' nest. Once, the bird went out of the nest to prepare food. The fox stood up and started looking at the little birds. The bird saw him and said to herself, "The fox has returned again, and my young and weak kids won't be able to defend themselves." This is why the bird changed her mind and returned to the nest. She would rather protect her children, even though the little birds were very hungry, chirping and chirping. She thought about her hungry kids and decided to find a solution. She thought about going to the forest to bring some food, but when she looked under the tree, yes, she saw the sly fox opening his mouth and looking at the little newborn birds. The cunning fox thought he was smarter than everyone else. The mama bird thought that the fox is not leaving her kids feeling comfortable. How would she ever leave the nest? "How do I leave my kids alone and go?" said the mama bird. While she was talking to herself, she had a good idea. Then she flew and stood near the fox and said to him, "Hello, dear fox, what are you doing here?" The fox was surprised. "I do nothing. I was passing by here. I came to visit you and greet you." So the bird told him, "Well done. What a great day to see you, my dear. Dear fox, my good friend. I have to go and get food for my kids. Can you take care of them while I'm gone?" "Of course, I will take good care of them. Don't worry at all, I will protect them." "Dear fox, you are very kind, and not at all like what other animals say about you. I will tell everyone that you took care of my children, despite your illness." The fox was more amazed than before, and his eyes expanded. What disease is this? The fox told the bird, confused. What did you say? Disease? The bird said, "I saw your color changed and became yellow. I heard that a deadly disease appeared in the forest." His first sign was a color change. The fox sat after hearing the words of the bird and said, "You mean I got sick? You mean the disease reached me? What do I eat in order to recover?" The bird said, The only medicine is to drink a little bit of pouring water from the top of the mountain. The mountain water from the snow. The ice melts and the water runs down the stream. After hearing this, the fox walked and went to the mountain. The bird and the other animals rejoiced because they got rid of the fox and returned to normal life with happiness and pleasure. Our story has ended. We hope you like it.